Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Pismo Beach, CA. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Located just 1 mile away from local beaches, this pet-friendly motel is minutes from downtown Grover Beach. It features an outdoor pool. The guest rooms at the Pismo Beach Motel 6 are equipped with cable TV and free local calling. Free Wi-Fi is available. Laundry facilities are available. Ocean Dunes Recreation Area and Pismo Dunes State Vehicular Recreation Area are 25 minutes from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.